In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. Creating and managing group chats on Snapchat is simple once you know the steps. It's important to note that snaps sent to a group chat do not count towards snap streaks with individual Snapchatters. To maintain a snap streak, you must send individual snaps. With that in mind, here's how to create a group chat on Snapchat. Begin by opening the Snapchat application on your phone. Tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen, and then tap the New Chat button and select New Group option. Next, tap the contacts you want to add to the group. You can scroll through your list or use the search field to find specific contacts. Next, tap the New Group Name area to enter a name for your group, and tap the Chat with Group button to begin your group chat. Now you have successfully created a group chat on Snapchat. Enjoy chatting with your friends. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.